And that is workshop number 2. Workshop number 2 is about writing in the mode or genre. So in the fiction chapter, for instance, students write a portion of a short story. In the poetry chapter, they write a few poems. In the argument chapter, an argument, etc. And this is really because you don't really know the genre until you write in the genre. The idea isn't that students are all going to become fiction writers or poets, but to write it is to know it. So those essential elements that they learn in the first workshop, they apply in the second one so that they really can apply them in other ways when they're analyzing other texts.
This notion of the inside out, I think, is so important because I do so much work with AP teachers and students, and teachers are often afraid that they can't ask a student to write a poem because they have so many stresses and so many things they have to attend to. And yet we know that once I've been from the inside out and I've written that sonnet, I'm never going to forget what a sonnet is, even though I may not write a very good sonnet. But I at least have some understanding of it. And so actually it was teachers who told us that. They said, this is a time where the kids love doing this and they're freer about doing it. And why not give them that opportunity as part of learning and instruction? So I think the second workshop really allows them to get inside that genre, no matter what it is.